अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन एंड फीलिंग फैट. I start today degree and difference between order, judgment and production of degree. Decision given by court, competent court of law have jurisdiction on concurred matter of either degree or order. A degree always follow judgment which is pronounced by court after the hearing of case. Next for relevant provision CRPC regarding the topic of degree or judgment. Section 2 for degree, Section 2(9) for judgment, Section 214 for order, Order 20 Rule 1 to 6 for degree and judgment. Meaning of degree. Degree means a declaration of court amounting legal consequences of fact found. Definition of degree according to Section 2 and CPC is defined by degree. Essential of degree adjudication given in suit, determinant of right regarding all or any matter of controversy. And conclusive, formally expressed. It is essential of degree. Next one, kind of degree. Kind of degree. Degree may be classified into two kinds. Declaratory degree, which is not capable of execution. Number second, executory degree, which can be executed enforced by court. Judgment. Meaning of judgment. Literal meaning. Judgment means a judicial decision. General meaning. Judgment means a judicial determination of or a decision of court. Definition of judgment according to Section 2(9) of CPC. Judgment means the statement given by the judge of ground a degree or order. Ingredients of judgment. Following are the ingredients of judgment. Number 1, statement given by judge need to be writing, ground of degree or order pronounced in open court, purpose of interpretation, language of judgment given in presence of the both party. Order. Meaning of order in legal sense. Order means decision of a court, a judge made in writing. Definition of order according to Section 214 CPC. Order means informal expression of any decision of civil court which is not a decree. Essential of order. Following are essential of order. Decision, expression. Decision refer to judicial dissemination of fact in accordance with evidence by civil court. Decision must be made the judge of civil court and not of the administrative tribunal.